How often does this happen? You send a contract, client signs it, then you send an invoice separately. Client gets confused. Do they pay before or after the project is completed? Hello Bonsai solves this problem. Hi, I'm Sophia, and I've been using Hello Bonsai for my client onboarding process, and this one feature absolutely rocks. You can send the invoice and the contract in a single email. One email, one click. Here's how. Step 1. Create your contract. Click on the plus sign on the upper right corner and select contract. You can choose a blank contract or any one of the pre-existing templates already in there. I'm selecting web development. Add in the name of the company, the name of your client, as well as the email address. And finally, the project name. Then click Create Contract. Now you can review the details of your agreement and customize the terms to your specific needs. Just click into the document and start typing. Step 2. Add an invoice to the same project. Toggle the Require Upfront Payment button on. Add in the amount that you want the invoice to show, and then next, sign your contract. Step 3. Send the contract. Customize the email as you want it and send the contract. Your client will now receive an email to view and sign the contract. When they click the button, they can see the details of the agreement, review it as they want it, and sign it. As soon as they confirm signature, the next screen they see is the invoice. They can make their payment from this screen right here. Everything streamlined in one single email. That's it! The link to try Hello Bonsai is in the description. See you in the next video.